I'm gonna pick up the pieces and build a Lego house. If things go wrong, we can knock it down. My 3 words have 2 meanings, but there's one thing on my mind. It's all for you. And it's dark in a cold December, but I got you to keep me warm. If you're broken, I will mend you, and I keep you sheltered from the storm that's raging on. Now I'm out of touch, I'm out of love. I'll pick you up when you're getting down. And out of all these things I've done, I think I love you better now. I'm out of sight, I'm out of mind. I'll do it all for you in time. And out of all these things I've done, I think I love you better now.
More birthdays and more blessings to come. Alam ko magiging successful ka. God bless you, friend. Bye-bye.
Hi, Johnny.
tayo schoolmates, pag nakikita tayo, parang wala pa rin nagbago. We're still close friends. Sana ma-enjoy mo tong video na pinrepare namin for you, and sana enjoy mo tong May 5 kasi araw mo to. Yun lang, and thank you for letting us celebrate this special moment with you. Happy 18th birthday ulit, and I love you!
I'm walking in sunshine, oh, I'm walking in sunshine, oh, just wanna feel good.